So you got the Kia or Hyundai anti-theft software update, but your insurance company still won't lower your rate. Here's how to fix that. You need one specific document, the official customer copy of the repair order, or RO, from the dealership that did the work. That's the only proof an underwriter will accept. A phone call, a generic letter, or a screenshot from an app isn't enough for them, because it doesn't tie the update to your specific car. The dealer and the insurance company don't talk to each other, so you have to be the one to carry this message. Without that paper, they treat your car as if it was never fixed. Your first step is at the dealership, right after the service is done. This update is a free campaign. It might be called CS2301005H for a Kia, or Campaign 9993 for a Hyundai. It takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours. When they hand you the keys, ask for the customer copy of the RO. Before you leave, check it for 2 things. It must have your full vehicle identification number, the VIN, and it must list the specific labor code for the update, like 90C069R0. That code is your proof the software was installed. Next, you need to send that proof to the right people. Go home and scan the entire repair order. Don't just call your agent. Send a formal email directly to your insurance company's underwriting department. If you can't find that address, email your agent and tell them to forward it to underwriting and confirm they did. Make your subject line clear. Proof of anti-theft update for policy, your number. VIN, your VIN. In the email, just say you've attached the RO to show the update is complete. This creates a record they can't lose or ignore. Now, you should know what this update actually does. It stops the engine from starting unless it gets the unlock signal from your key fob, closing the original loophole. But some insurance companies still don't see this as a true immobilizer. So you might still face high rates, even with proof. This repair order is your best tool for that fight. But it's not a guarantee. Finally, be patient and persistent. Your rate won't change overnight. The discount will likely appear on your next 6-month renewal. Set a reminder to check your new policy statement when it arrives. If the rate hasn't dropped, you now have your email and the scanned RO ready to send again. If you don't follow up, you're paying a higher premium for a risk that's already been reduced.